I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand how to rationalize denominator. We have taken up this example where there is only one term in the denominator, and therefore we are going to use our principle, that is square root a times square root a is how much? It is you can say square root of a square, which is a, right? So but we could write directly. Anyway, let's look into these examples. The first one is 2 over square root 5, then we have square root 7 over 2 square root 3, minus 3 square root 2 over 5 square root 11, square root 2 plus 5 square root 6 divided by 2 square root 6. To rationalize denominator, we have to multiply and divide by that particular, since it is just one term, the same denominator with the radical part. Multiply, divide only by the radical part, not by the number associated with it. So in the first case, we have to multiply and divide by square root 5 and then expand. In the second case, we should multiply and divide by square root 3, right? In the third case, we will multiply and divide by the denominator, square root 11, right? Since we are rationalizing denominator. And here we'll multiply and divide by square root 6, correct? Now you can pause the video, expand, simplify, and check your result. So when you do that, you will get 2 square root 5 in the numerator, and square root 5 times square root 5 is 25 square root, which is 5. So it is better to write it direct. In this case, 7 times 3 is 21, so within square root you get 21, and outside you get 2 times 3. So I could write this as square root 21 over 6. Here we get minus 3 square root 22 in the numerator. Denominator will be 5 times 11. And so the answer is minus 3 square root 22 divided by 55. In this case, we'll multiply by square root 6 here, so we get square root 12 plus 5 times 6 divided by, multiplying by 6 we get 2 times 6. We could rewrite this as square root 12, which could be written as 4 times 3, so we can write 4 times 3 as 2 square root 3, correct? Plus 30, 6 times 5, divided by 2 times 6, or we can cancel 2 later, right? So let me write 2 times 6 itself, and we'll simplify this, dividing each term by 2. So we get square root 3 plus 15 divided by 6. So that is how we can actually simplify it, right? As you can see here, we could have simplified the expression, dividing each term by square root 2. So what you can do is, you can redo this exercise by first simplifying this. So write this as dividing each term by square root 2. You could write this as 1 plus 5 square root 3 divided by 2 square root 3, right? And then rationalize and check if you get the same result as we got. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.